2 pounds medium ground beef, 2 teaspoon oregano, 2 teaspoon garlic, 2 teaspoon Italian herb, 1 teaspoon cayenne, 1 teaspoon pepper, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon flour. Manhandle the beef and incorporate all ingredients together. Once incorporated, pick the meat up and slam it down into the bowl. Make sure to mix slightly between each throw. Beat that beef like it owes you money. Next, split your beef pile in half and slap gently into a loaf shape. What are you doing, step-bro? Put into a preheated 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. Take 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of garlic. Mix it until incorporated and thick. Flip your beef humps and put them back in the oven for another 30 minutes. Dice a large onion and 2 Roma tomatoes. Once your beef is done, let rest for 10 minutes before slicing. Take warm pita, dress with sauce, meat, onion, and tomato. To get that authentic street food feel, wrap your donair in foil, and then proceed to put it in your mouth. Thank you for watching Trevstopher in the Kitchen.